Angeles, sunny LA. For what it's a weird call. I'm gonna grab this, and I'll definitely need this. Call came in from an account as a tractor trailer that's stuck under an overpass in a tunnel, and this is it at the Westfield Mall. About 250 to 300 feet all the way down here. So I already scoped it out. What I'm gonna do now is try to turn this into a service call. Clearance is 13.6. I'm gonna just take a quick walk in, see if I can let the air out of the tires and fix this. It'd be a heck of a lot easier than trying to fit Hulk in here. So what makes this difficult is, like I said, 250 to 300 feet. I'm more than halfway to it already. There's a truck right there, and then trucks coming in and out. Oh, if Hulk's in here, I'm blocking everything. So before I do that, as a last resort, I'm gonna try to use my cool tools, let all the air out, dump the bags, and see if I could just back it up. When he came in, he hit that first pole inside, I guess kept going, and is now stuck and wedged. Let's see. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 tires I'm gonna have to let out. That's what these are for. I take them off, and then for the duals on the inside, you use this pretty nifty tool. Well, I guess we'll start with this one. Let's see. Loaders in here?
Not a lot. Maybe
well, that worked great. See if that's enough. I gotta cage the brakes. All right, let me get my gun. I got back off the brakes. All right, hopefully last trip I make. Got my Milwaukee bag with some tools. The way his truck is the brakes are set. If they're released, I mean, the bags go up. So to keep them down, I'm gonna manually cage his brakes. That'll keep the suspension down as well, and it'll roll free so he can back it up. Then when he's all the way out of here, I can air up his tires. Hopefully they're not off the rim. I am now underneath, very dark. think you're good with the tires in the front like that, go ahead and fire it up and start backing it up.
That way.
Forward? Is it even... That's an exit?
That's the exit.
Oh.
But I don't know if it's any better or worse up there.
I mean, logically it should all be the same, right?
That's why I said we gotta watch the top.
Okay, well, let me follow you. Oh yeah, I got them off really good at the back top. There she goes. Don't stop, buddy. Not until you hear the clink. So far, so good. Just keep going, keep going, keep going. Don't stop. Tires are rolling, that's for sure. Yeah, those tires are gonna come off. I'm gonna need a tire service after this. That's the downfall about letting out all the air. It's not like a regular car where you could just air it back up. Let me start calling my tire service now. So right now we're just waiting for that guy to finish loading the dumpster. That way this guy can move forward. He did a pretty good job. All I had to do was let off the back. I'm actually curious how we made it this far. Almost home sweet home. Home sweet home. What I think happened is this thing was fully loaded. Here's my guess. It came in, took some load off the back, which made the rear end lighter, and therefore go up a bit. This is a home stretch. Once you clear this, it's all uphill from here. Success. No rotator needed. I got no service in this tunnel. Can you roll me Lucio? Huh? Yeah, I need Lucio. Just send him to that address you gave me. I had to let up the valve stems on all the rear tires. There's 4 of them. So he's on the rim. Job well done. We're back onto Santa Monica Boulevard. So I'll have them pull over here and then we'll wait for tire service. Huh? Yeah. Uber drop-off zone. Okay, that was fun. Now to reapply. I backed off the brakes, I'm gonna put them back.
Can you be able to get air back in them?
No, not at all. It's not like a car. I need tire service. I already called them.
Oh, they already called? Okay.
If you put air, I mean,
yeah,
it'll infinitely flow out, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, let me just shoot air to this. It should go back up. It's not too bad of a walk. At least I'm in the nice part of Los Angeles. This is the one where everyone here has a Porsche or fancy new electric car or Ferrari. The intersection of Constellation and Avenue of the Stars. And yes, it's a real street. I did not make that up. So I have no worry of Hulk being on cinder blocks when I come back. My jokes are horrible. And we're here. Let's just get my invoice book. Let's write this up.
1697.
Technically didn't do the job with Hulk, but I use Hulk's tools. It's got to count for something. Ah, thank you. I like the Hulk too. That's not the Lou Ferrigno Hulk, but I'll take the compliment. My hero McGyver is here.
Once again.
Thank you, tire service.
First tire guy I ever saw driving an ambulance. That's the first and the last we're gonna see. Interesting.
That rim right here has all the valve stems and the stuff.
Yeah, on the outside rim there, it's got all the valve stems in it.
I'll put them all there. I have spares in my truck too in case.
And in the middle of it. Oh, yeah.
This is why we call him McGyver. He does literally anything. Anything and everything. Tire repair, welding, fabrication, anything. And he's not too bad behind a rotator. Perfect. Oh, how cool is this ambulance? We got it and converted it into a utility truck on steroids. Driver's side completely done. Back to perfect. Just left with the passenger side and we're out of here. Sweet!
You ever see the videos of
That's good to go. So I am now free. Now I can leave. Peace out, y'all.